see just the wear and tear. Some deep gouges in there, some scratches. That thing's a bear to run. I'll show you here the different shade it does. So now I'll come back through with the Festool. Then once I'm done with that, I'll blend it in with the HTF, the big oscillator. And we'll blend it all together. So yeah, you can see it here, just the different shade it does, obviously, because it's rotating against the grain. It's going to give you a different shade, so we'll get her all blended in and look like $1,000,000. So for the shop back here, I'm using the Dust Right Extractor by Rockler. It's actually been a pretty good shop vac. This is my second one now, but it's got cool features. Tool activated switch, as well as just on and off. You got the tool activated plug here. So I've got the HEPA filter, and I wanted to show you the bags here. These are the Wonder Bags. Wonder Bags by Dustless. These are great bags, HEPA bag. So, and it also has a plug here, so when the bag is full, I can just plug it off and pitch it. So it's time for a new bag. I'll show you them here. Here's the bags here. Wonder Bags, micro, pre-filter, universal. So these are great.
Coming back to me, my heart is hung up on what used to be. Time moves on, and then one day, ancient history. Give me just a little bit of time back, baby. Can't you see? Couldn't we just go rewind back, baby? You and me, what a shame. I think of all the years gone by, all the yesterdays. For you and I, it was a flame back then.
I got to pull all these covers off so I can get underneath these baseboard heaters here. This is a Makita duckbill sander, so you can see I can get right underneath there. So, it's a nice machine. It's really good for getting, tough to get areas. Just like the Edger though, this is a disc sander, obviously, so gotta be a little careful going against the grain. It's gonna take some extra time to blend it all in, but for hard to reach areas, it works pretty good. Now with a weighted T-bar, I'm going to be applying the Bona Amberseal. Then I'll finish off with 2 to 3 coats of the Bona Traffic HD. Bona Amberseal is a great product. If you're looking for the amber look, this is the way to go. It's water-based, so it's not oil-based, doesn't have the VOCs that the oil-based sealers have, and so this will give you the oil-based look, the amber look, and it's water-based.